Dear members of the Ford family, I wish you and your family a great start of the new year. Everyone likes to start a new year with a resolution. At Ford, we have also taken a resolution, which is to break the myth around our cost of service. As you would be aware, Autocar India's spare parts survey has rated Ford as one of the most affordable against our competitor. Now that's a strong endorsement, isn't it? We believe it's time for us to tell the story to the wider world with great conviction. And how are we going to do that? By questioning stereotypes. Like villains in our movies, are they villains in real life? Not really. Our campaign is going to feature on-screen prominent villains, Singham fame Prakash Raj, bad man Gulshan Grover, and small screen vamp Sudha Chandran. All the antagonists in our campaign will drive home a point not to take things on face value and dig deeper into the facts. Our campaign will also deliver some hard-hitting facts around our surprisingly affordable cost of service. It is a unique approach and bound to draw some sharp reactions, which is what we want. We want people to sit back and take notice of our messaging. And here's the important part. We are very confident of our products and services being offered at our dealerships, but we need to tell the story to the world. Here is what each one of us need to do. We have to be the brand ambassador and fulfill our brand promise of feels like family for a change in everyday life. The campaign is going live on 13th of January, but we have a special preview for you. So enjoy watching and take the message out, and let's resolve to break the myths.